Hey there, loves. Are you ready to debunk some myths and discover the truth about flaxseed gel? Well, buckle up because we're about to take a wild ride through the world of hair care. Myth: flaxseed gel makes your hair greasy. Think again. Our organic curl custard pack with flaxseed goodness delivers hydration without the oily mess. Myth: flaxseed gel is only for curly hair types. Oh, honey, let me tell you a secret. Whether you've got waves, curls, coils, or straight strands, our curly custard works its magic on all hair types. Myth: flaxseed gel causes buildup on the scalp. Not on our watch. Our specially formulated custard is scalp friendly, delivering nourishment without the icky buildup. Myth: flaxseed gel is difficult to make at home. Girl, please, why bother with the DIY disasters when you can snag the real deal from our website? Our organic curl custard brings you all the benefits of flaxseed gel without the hassle. So are you ready to join the flaxseed revolution? Head over to our website and grab your bottle of organic curl custard today. Organic curl custard, where myths meet their match and fabulous hair begins. Get yours now.